Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and preparing the controller. Turn it on and make sure it's charged above 50% so pairing won't drop. On your PC, check Windows Update and enable Bluetooth in settings if you plan wireless. Otherwise, have a USB-C or micro USB cable handy. Install device drivers or the Xbox accessories app now so Windows recognizes the controller properly. Once those basics are done, put the Gamepad into pairing or wired mode and move to the next step. Now connect the controller. For Bluetooth, open Settings, choose Bluetooth and Devices, click Add Device, then select Bluetooth and pick your Gamepad from the list. Press and hold the controller's pairing button until the LED blinks. This signals discoverable mode. If using USB, plug the cable into the PC and controller. Windows will automatically install drivers. Wait for the notification that the device is ready. Make sure Steam Big Picture or other input middleware isn't blocking detection, and test inputs in the Xbox app or game controllers panel. Finish by configuring and verifying controls. Open Devices, then Bluetooth and Devices to confirm your controller shows as connected. Next, test each button and stick in control panels, game controllers, or use Steam Big Picture's controller test to calibrate dead zones and button mapping. If inputs are wrong, remap within the game or controller app. Troubleshoot by repairing, switching USB ports, updating drivers, or resetting the controller. One key tip: restart Bluetooth on the PC before deeper resets to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.